Sorry, we didn't see you there, April. It's time to get to work. Hi, my name is Mark Pachorg, and I grew up in Southern California and come from a family of 6 with 2 older brothers and an older sister, so you can only imagine what life was like for me growing up. I got roughed up a little bit, and now I'm just messing around. Step back. Oh, yikes. Those usually go in. If you could imagine, we probably acted like any other family, but there was always something to do. I'm very grateful to have them by my side with my 2 lovely parents, who are my biggest support system. With that, I'm a big family guy. My father grew up in a family of 13 with 7 sisters and 3 brothers, so there's never really a dull moment during family get-togethers and dinners. One thing about me is that I enjoy quality time. Whether it be with family or friends, as long as we are together, that's all that really matters to me. Growing up, I was always involved in sports. As a child, my parents threw me into basketball, baseball, and soccer. As I approached high school, I narrowed this list down to basketball and baseball. I ended up going with baseball, but it turns out that I guess I just wasn't as good as I thought I was, so that didn't work out. And soon after, I took up football and was able to eventually play collegiate football for 4 years. Although my body still hurts, I loved every moment of it. Now, you're probably wondering why I'm all geared up with this backpack on. That's because I'm an avid backpacker. Every year, I backpack with my brothers, my father, and his brothers in the high Sierras. Nature is something that I've grown to appreciate as I spend a lot of time learning and being with nature. I've heard about some amazing trails such as White Pine Lake and Maple Mountain. Something that I would love to also explore is snowshoeing. I've always found this fascinating, and living in Provo, Utah would be the perfect opportunity for me to further explore my outdoor pursuits. Excuse me for coming in hot. Now you can see I'm riding this bike. Something that I've adopted in my life is working out and riding bikes. This outlet has helped to alleviate stress and has become a daily routine of mine. Whether I'm at the gym or riding this 1990s Schwinn bike where the wheels may actually fall off, so I have to be careful. It serves as an outlet for me, giving me the opportunity to de-stress and take my mind off of things. Everything around me just seems to disappear, and it's just me and the bike or me and the weights if I'm at the gym. Another passion of mine is caring for tortoises. My daily life consists of feeding and putting my family's pet tortoises away at night. Come this way. Oh, we found a couple. I share my abode with a motley crew of cherryhead, redfoot, and yellowfoot tortoises. Now, it's time for Operation Tortoise Tuck-In to protect them from the cold temperatures at night. Check this one out. This one's FedEx, and they are South American. This is a South American redfoot tortoise, and they can't be in temperatures under 60 degrees, which is why I bring them to this house over here, and I have light fixtures and heating lamps. Here, hold on. Let's go grab another one. Crikey. Here we go. Here's 2 more. Anyways, believe it or not, we have 20 of these in my backyard. So I do play hide and seek for quite some time at night, but thankfully they all hide in the same spot, so they're really not hard to find. And also, they don't really go that fast, so it's really not a big deal. To me, service embodies servant leadership, putting the needs of others before your own. Service is an act of humility and is also an honor, a privilege, and a blessing. I'm currently wearing my Monte Tabor Medical Missions polo that I would wear when I worked alongside healthcare professionals to provide free medical care for families in Tecate, Mexico. This work inspired me to volunteer in my own community. For the past 6 years, I've been blessed with the opportunity to serve my own community at the Friends Indeed Food Pantry and Women's Room. Every week, we assist over 250 low-income families by providing food assistance and access to essential resources. We also provide a place of refuge for at-risk women in the community. My responsibilities include family interaction, grocery assistance, and inventory management, which allows me to support my community by addressing social disparities. The necessity of addressing disparities within our society is essential. I feel that by working with vulnerable groups, we can improve their lives and promote better health outcomes. I look forward to expanding on this experience in whatever community I am a part of. As I've had the chance to talk about who I am and some of my passions, I'm now wearing my father's scrubs. Over the years, I've had the opportunity to watch my father practice as an internal medicine primary care physician. He never wakes up dreading the day, battling the alarm. He eagerly awaits to practice the art of medicine. I cannot think of a better profession than to care for people at the most intimate of levels. This is how I want to be. Medicine is a career that I never really understood, but my passion became evident after experiencing a traumatizing leg injury during my very first football season, and a certain feeling stuck with me. My father has been the most influential person in my life, as he has exposed me to medicine and continuously supports my journey to becoming a physician. His dedication to his profession has instilled in me a strong work ethic and a desire to help others. But more importantly, I have learned important values such as compassion and empathy, which I plan to impart on my patients as a future primary care physician. I hope to be like him one day. One reason why I would like to attend NOORDA is because some of my best friends live in Provo and Salt Lake City. Also, I have family close by in surrounding states. Being close to family and friends has been an important aspect I've considered during this application process. Will be the perfect way for me to balance a healthy lifestyle and a rigorous academic load. Another reason why I would like to attend NOORDA is because it is actively research focused. My time working as a research intern at the City of Hope Comprehensive Cancer Center in urology has sparked my future interest in clinical research, and I'm eager to shape the future of medicine through evidence-based practices. My ultimate goal is to become a primary care physician, and knowing that this field is very broad and encountering patients with any condition, it will be my responsibility to provide high-quality patient-centered medical care. I feel that NOORDA strongly supports my academic and future career goals in medicine. Lastly, diversity has played a crucial role in my decision to pursue osteopathic medicine. I believe that understanding and respecting diversity is fundamental to providing comprehensive, patient-centered medical care. During my time working as a scribe, I've had the opportunity to interact with patients from various backgrounds. These experiences have taught me that healthcare is not a one-size-fits-all approach. What works for one patient may not work for another due to various factors such as personal lived experiences, socioeconomic status, or even cultural beliefs. I'm eager to build on my time working as a scribe within NOORDA and its community. Specifically, NOORDA's partnership with Mayor Michelle Kafazi to establish the In-School Health Outreach Program that provides free in-school health screenings for underrepresented elementary school children really intrigues me. I would love to be a part of NOORDA in the community.